Let's take a look at the difference between the V-Smart and the V-Smart Plus contour cutters from am.co.za. The V-Smart is a semi-automatic contour cutter, meaning that it cuts automatically only once the registration marks have manually been aligned, whilst the V-Smart Plus is fully automatic, meaning that it picks up the registration marks on its own and immediately starts the contour cutting. As you can see in the comparison, the manual lineup is clearly time-consuming, and the accuracy of the final product lays heavily on the operator's abilities. By comparison, the accuracy of the V-Smart Plus is clearly better and more consistent. However, both the V-Smart and the V-Smart Plus come with the same vinyl cutter software, and both can work with the popular Flexi software. So really, it boils down to choice, time versus price. And to help you make a quality choice between the V-Smart and the V-Smart Plus from am.co.za, you're welcome to call am.co.za sales on 060 600 6000. Thank you for watching.